3824 Victory. Final video. This house is up for lease. Let's go inside. Nice big double car garage. This house has been repainted, redone. It's a nice place, nice large backyard. You got a double decker right there. You can go up or down. Let's go inside here. So you walk inside, right into the kitchen. It's got a dishwasher. It's got a refrigerator. You got your stove. Everything's here. So brand new flooring, all new paint. Really nice open area, and it walks right into the dining room. Again, it's all been painted. Very nice. Got a ceiling fan here. This has central air also. See a nice big living room, shelves, fireplace, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It does have a toilet in the basement. So let's go upstairs. There's a nice 2 big bedrooms. The other one's a little bit smaller bedroom, but here's the bathroom. You got a nice big, we epoxied this. It looks really nice. Vanity. It's all nice and tiled. Nice thing. Here's the same thing. All nice and painted. Large bedroom, nice big bedroom. Here's all this is painted. Here's all this is painted. This is your other second bedroom. This one has 2 closets, by the way. And then here's a 3rd bedroom. It does have an outside entrance, an exit right there, so you can go on the patio and stuff. It's a little bit smaller though, but it's a nice bedroom. Let's go down to the basement. Like I said, this house has a lot of pluses in it. So let's go down to the basement. This is in South Euclid. Very nice area. Go down here. Here's the basement. You got a new toilet right there. Comes with the washer and dryer. Newer heater. Very nice place. So this is your virtual tour. 3824 Victory. Or 3824 Antidale, excuse me. 3824 Antidale, South Euclid, Ohio. Thanks. Have a great day.